Hey, it's Anfa. Welcome to another Liblast development update. In this update I want to show you new artificial intelligence that we're working on, and also a little bit of extra map content just for testing and having fun.
I'll crush you!
So, this is, lighting is kind of broken, but the bots now have somewhat artificial intelligence. I mean, there is a navigation mesh now, and they do pick random targets in a certain range and try to chase them. So you can see that there are actual fights. Oh, and now someone latched onto me and tries to kill me. So they still do lots of random stuff, but you get yourself killed pretty easily if you don't, like, defend yourself.
Here we go again.
Other updates include automated hit markers, which I think is nicer because also the color. You guys strafing around me or what? There's also tons of fixes that came around when I was working on the AI. And
sorry, not sorry.
Things weren't working.
Take this.
You can see that the enemies actually try to kill you, and I think that's way more fun to play against than just random,
Dominated.
totally random bots.
Perfect.
Makes sense.
Damn, son. Take
There's
this.
also got killed.
Okay.
There's also indicators that you're getting a teammate. So if I shoot a teammate, you can see there's a same team banner shown above their head. If you're typing in chat, for example, there's also a special banner. And if you're not moving your mouse for a certain, like not giving any inputs to control a character for a certain time, then you're getting an AFK banner. There's also another banner if you're opening the menu. You can see a cog icon. Yeah, so this is to kind of like protect people who are not actively playing at the moment. Like let other players know
There
that,
you go.
hey, this guy may not be able to defend
That's what I
himself,
wanna
so
see.
maybe don't shoot him.
Dominated.
It's it's still up to players to decide. Maybe someone AFK'd in the middle of a battle, of a fight, and then like that's on them. But if they are just standing there doing nothing, then maybe you want to pass.
Forward.
There's some interesting ideas to explore. Some things that, like, I wanted to be able to make the bots like climb up this path, because for now they really get stuck if they are, you know, getting between platforms is a problem.
Point. Let him have it. No time to waste. Okay. Got another one.
Hitting these guys can be a challenge sometimes because they move quite erratically still, but they try to keep a certain distance. They usually try to walk up to their target at a certain 1.5 meters, I believe, and then they
You're down.
walk randomly so they can stray, they can back off. None of these two guys are trying to kill me. I think they're gonna make it. So they can't aim up, so as long as I'm above their sight line, I'm fine.
Point for me.
Well, it didn't work for long.
Coming for you. I'm gonna destroy you.
try to bring some more interesting elements to this map so that there is some, you know, hiding and fighting to be had in here. So of course they're navigating the this weird terrain is problematic. Generally the enemies, like, if they shoot you or like you walk past their aims, your sight line. Actually, I think it's if they shoot you. If you walk past their aim sight line, they have a chance of latching onto you as their target. I think I should also do this, like, if you hit someone, they, like, try to prioritize you as well. If you're close enough. So that, you know, if you're attacking someone, they try to defend themselves and attack back. That makes sense. There's lots of cool things to do with the artificial intelligence. I was killed by ultra sharp coconut.
Oh man! That's gotta hurt.
So you can see they can navigate this terrain sometimes. Like, there is an island here. Most of it is done by totally erratic movement, but there is totally some logic to it. For example, if the target they're trying to reach is above their current location, they will jump and use the jetpack to get there. If the target becomes below their location, they will disable their jetpack to not overshoot. Of course, it's super rudimentary and I didn't really test it thoroughly, so I'm not sure if that logic actually works, but this is what I code. And they can't aim vertically, but I have an idea how to fix that already. I think my frame rate is hanging for some reason, I'm not sure why. I must have something that isn't being freed properly.
You're out.
It's causing the game to slow down over time. I think what would be fun would be to implement the rocket launcher again to see what can be done with that. It'd be fun because, you know, just using the handgun is quite boring. It gets quite old after a while. Whoa. Very default entity. Load me down. So the AI tries to pick a target that is in range, that is alive, and of course it's
That's what I want to see.
team. They can't find anything, they just move erratically, completely random, not even following the navigation grid, the navigation mesh. I think this guy is trying to reach this island. I think he's trying to kill me, so because there are nav mesh links between the nav mesh here and then here, so it is theoretically possible to, you know, walk from here to there, or like walk from here to there. But the bots can't do it yet. Like, I'm not sure why, because there is a link between navigation mesh islands, but it doesn't exactly seems to work. Like, they still get stuck on the island boundary, which is kind of strange, because I thought the link is going to make them the link is gonna make them follow that. I wonder what would happen if, like, you made all the enemies try to hunt you specifically, and how that would look and feel. Maybe I'll do that. Like a special version. Where was I shot by a teammate? sharpshooting with a pistol. I mean, it's kind of pistol.
Take this!
So it has perfect accuracy, like has no spread. Spread is not implemented yet. So, I think as long as I'm standing here, I'm okay. He, like, wasn't able to figure out how to reach me there. Oh, my frame rate is already tanking. I wonder if it's trying to go for a navigation mesh, or it's just random.
I'll get you!
Okay, I'm being haunted. Shoot. Hunted. Oh, and I was hunted down. Strangely bumpy bite got me. Whoa, bad aim.
That's what I want to see.
There is no, the friendly fire is totally disabled, like, you can't hurt your teammates. If you could, there would be, I think there would be a hit confirmation sound, and also... I think it wouldn't be a hit confirmation sound, because that's like a reward for doing something good. But there would be damage particles and a damage number shown like this, you know. Another change is that the damage numbers are now only shown for your own shots, so no one else's shots produce these
You're
numbers.
down!
I hope that makes it a little bit easier to see what you have been doing, like what has been you're doing and someone else's.
No time to waste!
It's like, yeah, they're totally random and chill, but sometimes they just latch onto you and they're giving you a hard time. It seems it looks pretty,
Got another one!
pretty
Oh, man!
natural how they chase each other. I always wanted to like peek into the programming and see what can I do. I play this behave more sensibly and be more fun to play against. I also wanted to make a contest for AI programming at some point. So my initial idea was to make a... Okay, I think he's trying to reach me. I'm gonna try to counter him. But my idea first was to make the AI teams fight against each other. But that really won't produce a... Oh, by default scalar. Was my doom. But that wouldn't really produce AI that would be fun to play against, because it would just produce total aimbots that, you know, like, can pretty much cheat their way into victory against humans and not be fun to play against at all. I think this guy didn't pick a target yet. So maybe now he did. Okay, that's a different guy. What about this guy? He randomly fell on the platform. So, because they can't navigate high places, they're all kind of gravitate towards the floor of the level. Just kind of a shame. Oh, this guy managed to get on the platform. Or he went from up. Interesting. Oh, somehow my frame rate recovered. I don't know why. That's interesting. I thought it's gonna be gone.
There you go!
Oh, he's trying to reach me, you see? He found that the target was above him, so he used the jetpack. I think that my code is working there. Or it was totally random, because there's a lot of randomness here. Which I think is more fun to play with than just, you know, aimbots. Because the randomness is unpredictable and also, you know, it gives you lots of leeway to do your thing, because the they are not such a threat most of the time.
Point for me. That's gotta hurt. Sweet. Come on.
I must say this is kind of addicting. Like, I just want to keep killing these guys, even though it makes no sense at all.
That's gotta hurt.
Also, I think I want to test what would happen if I totally disable all randomness and just make them follow the nav mesh and shoot their target. It would probably not be fun to play against, but it would just chase you down and kill you very easily.
Die.
Unless you're on a high platform. So maybe I should try to do that, because yeah, generally, you know, doing a fun AI is about first making them able to totally kill you all the time, no problem, and then introducing random errors that make it seem like they are trying, but they're having some issues, and they, you know, give you some room to... This guy's running circles around me.
Gotta move.
Oh, he got me. Generally in FPS games, it's true that if you stop moving, you're dead. Playing with these guys, it is true to some extent. You can usually stand around and do nothing, and they won't kill you, but at some point they're just going to latch onto you and try to kill you. And if you don't move and react quickly, they can get you pretty fast, because it's 4 shots and you're dead.
You're out. I'm coming. Here we go again.
It's pretty cool watching them fight each other. They are super random, but also, you know, kind of not. So... I want to make them able to traverse high places, because, you know, I think like, something I want to have Liblast be different about in regards to most FPS games is verticality. So all players have a jetpack, which means they can very easily reach high places, and I want all the levels and the AI to take advantage of that. I think this guy's trying to reach me, but he can't particularly figure it out. Maybe it's just random, because this guy surely isn't trying to reach me, because he doesn't want to see me. Was walking up here as well.
Let's do this. Take this. I'm gonna get you. Bon appetit. Oh man.
One thing is, you may notice that the crosshair has a dark outline, but only if it's on top of something bright. This is deliberately done with a shader that renders an outline if the background is too bright, like the contrast is not enough. And by default, I use this also for the hit markers, the crosses, red crosses that draw around. But I realized quickly that it looks bad, so I disabled that because somehow it looks pretty cool looking. And the red shades are usually quite distinguishable on top of anything else. Plus they are moving, so it's even easier to spot. Yeah, so as long as you stay off the ground, you're pretty safe. It's where it's when you're standing in easily reachable places, then you can expect to be hunted down. I wonder if anybody's gonna come here and kill me. I just stay here. Oh yeah.
Take this!
He would have got me if I didn't defend myself. Anybody here that's gonna try and kill me?
Here we go! Gotta move!
Nope. No one gives a crap. Oh! No? Oh yeah, I think this guy tries to cut me down. Where is he?
Get ready for me!
I don't know anymore. They usually shouldn't, like, actually, yeah, they can stop chasing you if they just stumble upon someone else. So they'll, like, take the opportunity because they have someone closer, so they're going to
Gotcha!
just chase that and fight that person. Maybe I could introduce some command line stuff to, like, you know, bot something, you know, or AI something to, you know, modify their behavior and test different things without having to jump into code all the time. And also to allow other people to play with it. Oops. You can also see that when I hit a teammate, their outline gets larger. To, like, make it extra clear that, hey, this is my color, dude, same as yours. Even though the UI currently doesn't show what your color is, but
That's gonna hurt.
when you try shooting someone, you pretty quickly should discover that you're shooting the wrong people. Thanks to the
Let's move!
wrong team banner and stuff.
There you go!
So you can play this game now if you just follow the readme. I should make a release. I also made a script that will automatically generate a release for me, which will make it pretty easily to post updates. I just need to automate the uploading of it to my FPS. Oh shoot. So that I don't have to do multiple extra steps and just, you know, replace the links. Yeah, if the more I can automate, the better, because I can iterate quickly and, you know, post new versions of the game. And also, the releases will allow me to put the game server on my VPS, so there is a public way to play with people. Even though that's quite broken still, like, yeah. If you've been watching the devlogs on this channel, then you know that you can't damage some players. So sometimes the game state gets dissynced. Oh man, it's gonna kill me. Nope. Yeah, so it's kind of playable, but not super really. Some things work, but like player profiles don't sync. For example, I'm called totally not a bot, which is a default, and this is the error banner above my the error badge above my head. It's the defaults, so my profile didn't apply, which is here. and the game generates a random profile for you. You can randomize stuff, but it doesn't apply to your character in game yet, which is well, it needs to be fixed. That's another thing that needs to be fixed. However, one of the biggest issues that I had was camera management, and that's fixed, which I'm very happy about. It took quite some effort. I had issues where somehow Godot would make newly spawned characters hijack the current camera to one of the cameras in the character's scene. So I pretty much have to manually reapply camera of the currently controlled character every time a new character is spawned to prevent that from happening. Which isn't great, but it works.
Right in the stuff.
So for now I'm keeping that. It's possible there's a bug in Godot and this will be fixed, but it's also possible that it's a design choice and I'm just doing something wrong. So I've explored this quite deeply, so I don't think it's still something I'm doing wrong. I think it's a problem with Godot. It's still in beta, so it's quite possible things like that happen. Oh. Okay, I think I'm gonna end here. I've reached 139 kills. That's enough. Yeah. So I'm gonna call it quits. Thank you for watching this devlog, and I hope to see you around next time.
You're down.
Bye.